In the EAS community, I go by the name of Con6510. Hmm. Strong relations. Can you specify like friendship? Okay. I'm just Okay, here we go. Broken Belfast Canadian or Belfast Canadian. Camden County EAS 0216. EAS fan 65, even though I'm still trying to who it is. Ethan Short Logan.co.ok. HeroCraft 6021. Penrose WX. The Cascadian Queen. And Watchpoint Saga. There you go. Well, the best scenario is as of now the only scenario that I have, which is Fire Comet, which I released on October 22nd, 2018, with a preview the day before. Oh, when you put it into perspective, I mean, it kind of flip-flopped here a bit, here and there. But my greatest enemy now is EAS Freak Productions. I'm gonna try my best to make more scenarios in 2019, and like in mid 2019 to early 2020, more than I did in 2018. And I may do a video of me releasing actually catching some like weather alerts throughout the nation. Yes, we are. Opinion on drama. I'll just say it right now, it has to be stopped immediately. I can no longer handle with this. Okay, you don't mind if I can tell you something real quick, do I? I joined the community in August of 2018, and there was a lot of drama going on. And it didn't take it until now for me to think. When I joined back in August of last year, I was like, did I join the community at the wrong time? Because let's just say I was thinking about leaving at that time, but I just went, no, I'm staying strong, I'm staying. Okay, let's put it like this. I have 4. I will name you 4 of them. Actually, no, let's make that 5. I will give you a favorite from these 5 EAS creators that I'm about to mention. My favorite video from No Ordinary Creator, as of now, is Absolutely Radioactive Part 7. My favorite video from Radioactive Girl 00 is... Well, actually, Clay Range and Radioactive Girl favorite go together, because when I'm doing that, I'm talking about Rising Heat. And, okay, next up is EAS Guy 114, whom my favorite video of his was... Actually, I got 2 of his. Aliens Attack Chicago, both of them. And then my last one is Watchpoint Saga, and you already know that's going to be the entire... and you already know that's gonna be the entire Primus universe, the entire Primus series. Which may I remind you, I am voice acting for that as the one, the only Matthew Cooper. Oh, ooh, Natural by Imagine Dragons. Actually, here, actually here, Believer, Natural, It's Time, and Thunder by Imagine Dragons. Those music videos, every single one of them, great. This is why this is why Imagine Dragons is my favorite band. They make great music. They make great songs. Hmm. Okay, let's take it this way. I have two cats. Their names are Digit and Merritt. I have two dogs, Dakota and Poppy. And now we're gonna take it to the other side. I had a hamster. I had a hamster named. Yep, I'm gonna say it, Bibbidi Bop. Yes, that was the name of the hamster. And I had another cat named Midnight. Unfortunately, those two. Unfortunately, the final two that I just said are deceased. Oh. Hmm. Well, if you're that is only unless I get involved in some like mini drama and then I just go full out ballistic. But yeah, most of the time I'm a good person. Best friend. Oh God. Best friend is. It's like I I have two best friends actually. Watchpoint Saga and HeroCraft is 6021. I wish I could answer that, but unfortunately, I do not have any of those. I actually have been thinking of getting a weather radio. Oh, here, time to pull out. Oh God, man, I'm thirsty. Can you grab me a can of Minnesota? You better get that one, cause you gotta get that one, please. You got it. Yes, yes. I am a I am a history nerd. May as well call me a walking a walking talking history book. Um, I like making maps and flags as well. It went great. It went great. Wait, is this going to be going on YouTube? So like right once we're done, you're gonna upload it? Okay. Well, see ya.